Thanks to Dr. Steve Cohen and FATS, we are in for a real treat, which is the topic of hair regeneration. Dr. John Cole here from Atlanta and New York City in the USA. The medical, stem cell, and biologic for the prevention and treatment of hair loss has advanced significantly. Furthermore, we now have gene testing to help focus the best treatment options. The most important thing is to begin treatment as early as possible. Why is it so important to initiate treatment early? Tune into FATS to understand why and how, what works, what does not work, how do we fine-tune therapeutic options, why is regenerative medicine for hair loss such an essential adjunct to hair restoration surgery? We will review all these topics. Join us to discuss the latest in regenerative medicine for hair loss.